So, hello everyone, and guys, welcome to the Recall, Revise, and Rise series of your current affairs preparation for your upcoming RBI Grade B and NABARD Grade A 2026 examination. So, guys, today we're going to discuss the questions in regards to day 63. Let's first of all look at the homework question from day 62, that is on RBI Integrated Ombudsman Scheme. The question that I've given you as a homework was which of the following which is correctly related to the RBI Integrated Ombudsman Scheme. Complaints must be filed within the regulated entity. If unresolved within 30 days, the complaints may be escalated to the Ombudsman. Then the centralized receipt and processing centers is located in Chandigarh. Compensation for financial loss can be awarded up to 30 lakh rupees. Compensation for mental health is रुपीज 3 लाख. तो यहाँ पे आपको मुझे बताना था कौन सा आंसर सही है. तो यहाँ पे आंसर बन जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर ई. ऑल ऑफ द गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्कीम फॉर द डे, दैट इज गाइस श्रम योगी मानधन स्टेट क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन जो मैं श्रम योगी मानधन में पूछ रहा हूँ सारे के सारे आपके प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन है. पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि प्रधानमंत्री श्रम योगी मानधन प्रोवाइड्स पेंशन फॉर अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड वर्कर्स अर्निंग लेस देन 15,000 ensuring post retirement security. Which of the following is the eligible age group? 21 to 55, 18 to 50, 18 to 40, 21 to 50, and 20 to 35. So answer is going to be option number C, 18 to 40 years. Then comes my question. That's a case study based question asked in 2025 examination of RBI. Which of the following persons are eligible to enroll under the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Manthan? Earns 18,000 per month and is 65 years old and would receive 3,000 monthly pension. Y is already a member of NPS through his workplace and now wants to enroll under the pension scheme here for additional benefit. Z works in unorganized sector, earns ₹40,000 per month और एज है 32 years old. आपको मुझे बताना कौन एलिजिबल है. ओनली एक्स, बोथ एक्स एंड जेड, देन ओनली वाई, ओनली जी और नन ऑफ दी अबव. तो यहां पे राइट आंसर बन जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ओनली जी. रीजन बिंग दैट बिकॉज ये सैलरी 50,000 से ज्यादा है, ये एनपीएस के मेंबर है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नॉट एलिजिबल. नाउ इट्स अ टाइम फॉर द होमवर्क क्वेश्चन गाइस. ठीक है जी, दैट इज योर deposit date under the PM Shram Yogi Manthan is from 55 to how much? 100, 150, 200, 250 or 500. So do let me know your answer in the comment section guys, and thank you for watching this video. For more such videos please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the best.